Lotus root is considered a healthy vegetable for the lungs as well. Lotus basically grows in water, and so it has this quality of having a lot of water around it, right? So when we consume lotus, we pull it out of the water and it goes into an unnatural environment, and we take it into our bodies and we eat the lotus. It again has a tendency to absorb the excess water in our body, but I would say not the lighter water, but the excess mucus in our body. And so if we have lotus, and there are ways to consume it, and our recipe section, you would see with this program, has many recipes using lotus root in stir fries, in soups. Adding it here and there a lot more in your diet helps to pull out excess mucus in the body. In fact, there are special remedies as well that one can create with lotus root. However, for remedies, we need to look at the individual constitution and condition of the person, and for that we would require a consultation. But just using lotus root more and more in your diet on a weekly basis is definitely helpful for lung health.